So what is up for here? So here we can talk about your Guitalele. We talk about what? We talk about what is the Guitalele. We talk about how to tune your Guitalele and what are the mostly used
Up and
how to tune. Ngit-ngit sa baybayon na nagpaabot nimo dito sa tunggan. Ow! So here's what you think about Guitalele, okay? It's a short scale guitar with 6 strings. Standard tuning is an A. The difference between guitar and a Guitalele is positioning of the chords, but a different note. So let us start with the tuning of our Guitalele. There's a lot of app there you can download for tuning your instrument. I barely have a video of how to use the app, which is the Guitar Tuna. This time we search in another app. So let me just show you how to tune your instrument using your hearing. So here's how I
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain.
first step is you have to 1 2 3 4 5 at the 5th fret, identifying the same note at the 5th string. So this is standard tuning is A, open chords A, and when you press the 5th fret it would be D, and strumming at the 5th string will be the same
D.
same note. So that's, and so on. At the next one is on 5th string with the 5th fret, and the 4th string you should need to identify the same note, and so on. 4th string 5th fret, and the 3rd string, and at the next 3rd string you can just move down a fret which is on the 4th fret. This is this is B, and the 2nd string, and the last strings will be, this is an apple at the 5th fret, and the 1st string, that is a sharp A. So that's how you tune your instrument using your hearing. There's a lot of way how you tune your instrument. There's a lot of choices that you have. Fender, Guitar Tuna. For this video, we just have to use the Fender one. Okay, so here we are in the Play Store. We have a guitar tuner. So we have a different guitar tuner app. So the popular one, this is editor's choice, which is a Guitar Tuna. We'll try to use the Fender. Install. And okay. Installing. So here's a lot. There's a choices of tuner for your instrument. You have Guitalele bass. You can use also bass for your ukulele. You can have chords auto tuner. So here's how you tune your. Okay, so this is standard tuning of Guitalele is open fret, 6th string is A. So here how you can notice here's how you can identify you are in a standard. So the 6th string is A. It will blink the green color, and okay, there's an arrow which is if it's what? Okay, now it notifies the release standard tune also already. Okay, so that's how you can. The 5th string is D. So there's an arrow, it means there's a need more increase or decrease about the string. The arrow indicates that you are on a low key or on a, so you just have to, not sure if this is accurate because the mobile phone will pick up the noise background behind you. Sorry. Oh, so we are over. It's D. Too much. Okay, that indicates that you are into standard tuning D. The next string is G. This is our third string, which is G. A little bit more. Almost there. And that is G. The next string is C. Is that a C? This is. So C. And the next one is E. Okay, and then the last one is A sharp. Too high. Okay, and we are. That's how you can tune your instrument using the app you can download in Google. So that's it. If you do like this video, okay, please, okay, please like, just like, okay, that's it. Thank you.
Keep struggling, bitch, I'm humbling. Keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling. You keep bluffing.